Ahoy, shipmates! You find me this evening on a bit of a land-based activity. I'm here at the Duke of Wellington pub, here on Bugle Street in Southampton. Dates back to the 12th century. The cellars are from 1220. So I'm here in the corner of a bar to meet a shipmate who crashed his drone into a container ship. I made a little film and he's contacted me back, and I'm here ready to meet him. I'm not quite sure where he is. Thought I would quench my thirst with a pint of swordfish. Don't worry, shipmates, that is real ale made with a dash of rum. Right, so you got your drone back, or most of it back. I think you got it all back. It's not the same way you left it. So what happened on your flight then? Give us an explanation.
Just a signal, like you said. Here I see things flying, and
So you took off from Hythe Marina.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Is that a popular?
I'm not waiting for that container ship. I'm waiting for this one.
Are you waiting for the Mine Sheath 3?
Yeah, exactly.
There was some it was lovely conditions here, I noticed. Lovely lights. Water was very calm.
Glassy water,
Yeah.
almost like mirror.
Yes, that's right. Do you mainly take videos or pictures?
Only videos.
Only videos. Okay, so I was lucky to find.
I do pictures before, but now I do only videos.
So I was lucky to find.
Today.
Lucky to find some pictures then.
It's only screenshots, I think, on the card. Or
No, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Well, I don't know. There's no information.
you don't found files with
No.
higher and distance.
Yeah, no. There was no files with that sort of screen information. No, they were just pictures. So you're trying to get Mine Sheath 3.
Yeah.
You got some really good footage of the tug here. I have to say, I was quite impressed.
When you fly good and you fly good, not shaking, is smooth,
Yeah, it's quite difficult. It takes time.
happy.
So how long you say you've been flying? You've been flying for 2 years.
2 years almost.
Yes.
My second drone.
Second drone.
Second
Well,
one.
now you're onto your third drone.
First one the Mini 2, that's Mini 3, and already I have another Mini 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I try fly higher right now.
Yeah, because you're starting to get to the edge, aren't you?
Exactly.
The ship's starting to block your view.
And probably in that moment I
Yeah.
have the signal. No yet.
Have you lost signal before?
No.
No.
Thank you, mate.
It's that moment. Yeah. And now drone probably try found a connection with me.
You get it going. I think you must have got it going to the.
With master.
Yeah, you got it going to the right a bit. So you must have had a bit of control, maybe. Maybe it's synced or something.
Maybe I do
Yeah.
something on the controller, but I don't see nothing on the screen.
Yeah. Oh, okay, right. Yeah,
Right,
maybe there's enough signal to get they good. I think that's it there. I think that's when it snicks in there. That's it. Now it's moving forwards. It's rotated round. It's moving forwards.
And I don't put button return home. I don't do nothing, just waiting.
Yeah.
I have hope,
So you didn't know where it went then.
Yeah, exactly.
You didn't know it crashed into the ship. So he found it down here, right down there.
The best moment of the movie.
Yeah.
Cost 300 quid.
Well, there you go. You got it back. I'll make an update video because they'll be interested.
It's my first interview.
No problem. So yeah, so I like some of these shots of these the ships you've done. You've got some good shots there.
I have a lot of problem with connection.
This was good.
This place.
I saw you got some video on you.
I start recording before they start shooting the fireworks, and I was. Can I? Return that moment.
Yeah. Yeah.
I start record from here.
Okay.
Somewhere, you know.
Yeah,
and when they start shooting, I lose the connection as well.
Oh, really? You lost connection when
very close explosion.
Yeah.
And have a lot of problem with connection.
Well, I don't know where that is. Where was that then?
It's probably A34, close Sutton Cockney.
Oh, Sutton Cockney. Oh, yeah. Okay.
I think, yeah.
Right. Okay.
Or Sleep. I have that on Instagram somewhere. Yeah, it's Paris.
It was Paris.
Portsmouth.
It's Portsmouth. Yeah. Back
Loch Mulardoch. It's not me.
No, that's not you.
It's most of the time.
We're very close here. Yeah. Some good shots. Yeah, so you occasionally must take a picture when you're flying.
Oh. Queen Anne, yeah?
Yeah, the Queen Anne, yeah.
It looks like foggy, but it's not. It's
just out of the funnel, isn't it? I know. Yeah, it's surprising how smoky some of them are. And it's down in Marchwood. Are you a Portsmouth football fan then,
No.
No.
I like Portsmouth.
Yeah.
It's nice city.
So it's quite nice from Mayflower Park. One evening you were down there. I don't know where's this then? Is this?
I don't have idea.
You don't know, somewhere, yeah, I didn't recognise it.
Probably I stopped my lorry somewhere.
Yeah.
Try to some movie. This?
Yeah, I think. Oh yeah, you got some time lapse there. Yeah. Yeah, that looks very similar, doesn't it? Very foggy morning.
A43 or this one. A43, yeah.
Yeah, some nice.
From Mini too.
Yeah, that's very colourful. Yeah, this one was good as well. With the sun in that distance.
And then we can.
Some Containership, probably.
I think that's what it looks like to me. Yeah. Don't know where is this up in?
Arundel.
Arundel. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't recognise that at all. And then this is a Queen Victoria Country Park.
Yeah, exactly.
I recognise it. I recognise it.
Sunday or church, something like this.
Yeah.
Loch Mulardoch again.
Murder.
And I likes to swear, but I can't put a sign.
Zakopane.
What's that then?
It's the name of the city, Zakopane.
Ah, okay, right, name of the city. Okay. I didn't recognise it.
It's the capital of Polish mountain cities. I mean,
Okay, Captain Polish Mountains, right.
most popular place
Yeah.
in Polish. Or
I presume that's Southampton.
Pentalvers.
And one of the Fred Olsen ships.
Grand Arch.
Yeah. Yeah, this is quite nice. I like this breakthrough in the centre here.
It was 300 meter, but don't tell anyone.
And this is the ski jump in. What did you say this was?
Zakopane.
Zakopane. Yeah. For some reason, one of them came through upside down. I assumed you weren't flying upside down. And this is Arundel as well. Yeah.
Zakopane.
Did you go skiing?
No.
No skiing. No ski jumping then.
Ski jumping. Only drone jumping.
Only drone jumping, yeah. Yeah, this was just the other day because I recognised the Circus Extreme was in.
Grand Arch as well.
Yeah, the Grand Arch from the other way. Yeah.
Metallica probably.
Yeah, the cemetery, is that where you flew from? Yeah, okay. Dark, Marchwood. Yeah, where's this? I didn't know.
It's the palace The biggest palace in France. Oh,
Or palace at first sight?
Versailles, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know, I'm not seeing it from the air. Okay, interesting.
It's very windy
Yeah.
moment. Loch Mulardo. Krakow.
There's Krakow. Yeah, a lot of people in the comments said it was Krakow. And it's Krakow, I guess, because I can't recognise the flag. Yeah, I've got lots of those.
I don't know.
Bit of concrete somewhere. And this is up in Loch Mulardo again. Yeah.
Why is that mixed?
Krakow. Is that Krakow as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a wild camp over here.
Oh, okay, you were camping with, yeah. Is this you?
No. It's the fairy pools.
Oh,
The sky,
yeah, I don't know them, no, okay.
Scotland.
Yeah, Scotland. Yeah, it's the Kelpies. It's a good shot, actually, I quite like that one. Somewhere in Scotland.
William Wallace Tower or something like this.
Oh, okay, so it's a tower somewhere. It's Stirling, is it?
Sterling, yeah.
Yeah. And they bridges over the fourth bridge.
Right.
Yeah, look like it's some good weather while you're away.
But very windy.
Very windy, was it? very easy.
It's a ferry pool as well.
It's very okay, yeah.
2 days, okay.
Yeah. There we go. Right, well, we found you at last.
Yeah.
Anyway, your drone is back.
I was recognized. I know incognito right now.
All right, well, there you go.
Thank you very much.
Have it back.
Nice to meet you.
No problem at all. Glad you got it back.
I hope you never find any of my drone.
No, I hope not either. It's not really a business I want to get into, but there we go. At least you got it back. Got your SD card back. Got the battery back. A souvenir to put on your wall.
Well, that was unusual, shipmates. Never spoken to a local drone flyer before, especially not one who's crashed his drone into a container ship. Here is that infamous footage. Up until the point he hits the ship, it's actually quite good footage. I would have been quite proud of this myself. Potentially a little close to some of those ships, I think. But anyway, here is the footage. Hope you enjoyed that one. Until next time, shipmates.